So to install the bar, make sure you take account into these hooks right here. You see this little notch thing right here, like little, what do we call it? Basically, you want to hook it underneath. Hold on. Hold on. Make sure it hooks underneath like that. And then these knobs right here, you want to turn it to the right. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Keep turning until it is very tight. So.
And you can't turn it anymore.
Yeah, until you can't turn it anymore. Just so the audience is safe. Now, to take it off, you merely just go lefty-loosey. And you would. And then you would make sure hooks come down, or like make sure put the bar down, and also put these knobs a little bit up higher, so that there's clearance for the hook to unhook.
Okay, but that was pretty low on your list. So like, which one?
Yep, no, you're doing it good, and then you would remove it.
And then, why? I want to edit this.